just connecting the dots between what my clients see on a print ad versus what they'll be able to see visually with a YouTube ad is night and day difference in exposure. I'm not going to ever be able to create my own YouTube ads. Well, maybe not ever, but it's going to take me a while to learn that process. So this was an accelerator in order to get my knowledge up to par and kick out a few ads for me by attending this conference. This event has been great for me. The ability to sit with a team of pros and get my YouTube ads up to speed has been well worth the commitment. I'm definitely taking away 3 different YouTube ads that the team built for me, and that's definitely a process that I would have taken 3 months instead of 3 days to figure out how to do on my own. And I definitely would recommend the Incubator to anyone wanting to learn about YouTube ads, and this team has been great in helping me create and document my first 3 that I'll be able to share with the world.